Today, our object lesson is titled Substitutions. Have you ever used a recipe to make something yummy? Recipes are very helpful because they tell what ingredients to use as well as directions for making the recipe. But sometimes when you want to make a recipe, a problem comes up. The recipe may tell you to use a certain ingredient, but you don't have it. Sometimes you can substitute something else for that ingredient. For example, if the recipe calls for 1 cup of cracker crumbs, you might be able to use 1 cup of breadcrumbs or even 1 cup of oats instead. A substitute is something that is put in the place of something else. Here's another example. Maybe you have heard of a substitute teacher. When the regular teacher isn't able to teach, someone else may teach the class. That person is put in the place of the regular teacher. And so she is called a substitute teacher. This is a concept that was taught by the sanctuary services as well. When a person sinned, he deserved to die. But the death of an innocent animal was accepted in the place as a substitute. And of course, the real substitute is Jesus himself, who died on the cross as the sinner's substitute. What would happen to us if Jesus were not our substitute? Well, we would all die the second death, from which we would never be resurrected. Are you thankful that Jesus took our place on the cross and that he died for us?